right? Their character is sex life. I just got to come this way, right? Who stays on top of that, right? The man and the woman, to you married or whatever, you know what that's all about, right? And Allah says, وَذَاكِرِينَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا وَذَاكِرَاتِ. And the man who thinks on Allah a lot. Dhikr, Kawthar, who thinks on Allah a lot. And the woman who thinks on Allah a lot. Now what of that? How does it end? So he's been saying this, the man, woman. What of it? And it ends. أَأَنَّ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ مَغْفِرَةً وَأَجْرًا عَظِيمًا. That he has prepared for each one of them forgiveness, and a great, mighty reward. I don't think we can end any better than that. Sister, read this. Brother, read that. It's the balance. Be truthful. Be honest. Strive. You fast. Be patient. Right? Etc. Be devout. Allah says, for this and for that. For this and for that. I have prepared for both of them forgiveness. The second 10 is forgiveness. We always need forgiveness. Right? When we finish. Astaghfirullah. Allah has prepared forgiveness for you. And a mighty Azim, when we go here, Azim, a mighty reward. We can't get nothing better than that, right? Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Rabbana atina fi dunya hasanatayn wa fi akhirati hasanatayn wa qina adhaban nar. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Ikama. Allahu Akbar. I love you all, brothers and sisters. We pray Allah accept our Juma'h today and the Khutbah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin.